to you, Tony. Give us a quick reaction to that now. As far as you're concerned, what would you think?
Well, my first reaction is that I can hear very little of Ireland in it. As music, it is wonderful. And it's wonderful in the sense that it can sell Ireland to an audience abroad, which has given Ireland very bad press over the past 25 years. That is one of the great things about the modern movements in Irish traditional music. It has sold an image of Ireland which is youthful, beautiful, and nice. But my problems begin where we find that the sources of the music are being increasingly lost to such a degree that the next generation may not rediscover them. And do you remember earlier you spoke to me all about tradition and innovation? My problem is there is a huge divide coming there. Innovation is taking over, steamrolling tradition, and what is happening is tinsel, glitter, consumerism is actually replacing the tenderness and the poetry and the essential lyrical nature of traditional music, because Irish music is the music of localities. It's soft, contemplative, tender music. That is being lost.
And do you not see in that piece what I saw? It was the coming together of all kinds of different influences flowing in together. That's what I read into it anyway.
No, well, certainly the Irish influence isn't there in any central fashion. As a piece of music now, I'm specifying
lovely,
that I
yes,
like it.
yes, it's lovely,
and
yes,
it does give a wonderful image,
right,
and it's musically
right,
interesting.
yes.
But what concerns me is that Irish traditional music is being lost. The essential characteristics, its regional quality, its poetry, its softness, its tenderness, its poetry, its centre is being lost.
There you are. They're saying nonsense up there, but sure, however.
Well,
I asked you for a reaction. There you are. I asked you for a reaction. All right. What is wrong with this?